another creative move using the foam roller. You're gonna squat down, okay? Hold it down in a deep squat. Reposition myself here, okay? So as in a rowing position, okay? You wanna squat down and lift. Now keep your torso, upper body straight, back straight, up to a tall, upright position without locking your knees. All right, now hold it down here. Now we're gonna flip and flip, okay? Turn the foam roller. Okay, maneuver it. Upright, palms up, and then down, fingers down. Thumbs up. Okay, and just deep squat. Isometric. Deep squat. You're gonna hold it here into that static, deep, partial squat, rather. And now hold, hold, and now back to that flip, okay? Flip it, up, forward and back. Breathing, hold it here, hold, and down, up. Now you're in that static hold. Down and up. All right, keep that contraction strong in the core and the abs. And back to that original. Up and down. Up and down, up tall. Have fun with it. Come up with your own moves. This foam roller is really a fun foam roller. Join me in my workouts coming soon for so many more innovative, creative moves. Check it out at fatfoamrollerworkouts.com.